Welcome to the Fundamentals of Robotics course. This tutorial is designed for beginners and enthusiasts eager to dive into the world of robotics. It provides a solid foundation in robotics, covering essential concepts, key components, and their real-world applications. We'll begin by exploring what robotics truly means, its historical journey from early automata to today's intelligent systems, and its growing importance in various industries. The course then takes you through the core components of robots: sensors, which allow robots to perceive their environment; actuators, which enable movement; and control systems, the brain behind robotic actions. As we progress, we'll introduce you to the fundamental concepts of kinematics and dynamics, which explain how robots move and interact with their surroundings. Alongside theory, this course highlights practical applications, including robots used in manufacturing, healthcare, and even household assistance. This tutorial also touches on the challenges robotics faces, such as ethical concerns, job displacement, and safety standards, while emphasizing the exciting future trends, including collaborative robots and advancements in artificial intelligence. By the end of this course, you will have a firm understanding of the basics of robotics, the essential components that make them functional, and their current and potential applications. Whether you're just starting out or curious about how robots are shaping the future, this course offers an engaging introduction to the fundamentals of robotics. Let's get started.